Hi, I'm Mohammed and welcome to the third episode of the IELTS speaking series. Today we're going to classify Part 2 task cards based on the tenses we need to use in our responses to them. So without further ado, let's jump into it. After Part 1 questions, the examiner gives you a task card that looks like this. Speaking for 1 to 2 minutes can be kind of intimidating. One of the things that makes our job easier is paying attention to the tenses used in the task card. This helps us make sentences that the examiner anticipates. So let's take a look at some examples to understand that better. As you can tell, we have past tense questions here, therefore, in our response, sentences that are directly related to the questions in this task card should be past simple. Let's move on to the second example. What we have here is present tense questions, and this means we should include present tense sentences in our response. And here's the third example. As I'm sure you can tell, these questions are about the future, and we need to include future sentences in our response using modal verbs such as would. And that's it for this episode. In the next one, we'll work on a past tense Part 2 task card. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing.
Hey, you, I saw you from the distance.